In front of me I've got Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change mail signature on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then scroll down and locate mail icon. So here it is, smoothly marked. Scroll down and here you will notice signature. So if you don't want to have sent from my iPhone signature added to every email you send, just mark it, remove the current one and enter a new one. So it can be, for example, with love. Hard Reset Team. You can add some emoji if you want to. So let me add, for example, hearts, and also you can bold something. Just mark the text that you would like to bold, click on it and bold it. Obviously you can also underline it or do whatever you want, but I will bold it, and that's it. We can go back, and from now on every mail will be finished with this signature, which is with love, Hard Reset Team, instead of sent from my iPhone. And obviously you can customize it as only you want to, but this is how it works. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.